Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Lima and this is a course overview for CGMA Keyframe Illustration for Production. I've been working in the entertainment industry as a freelance concept artist and illustrator for almost 4 years now. I worked for The Shadow of Tomb Raider, where I had the amazing opportunity to create key art, environment concept art, as well as designing props and characters. Most recently, I've been working with studios such as One Pixel Brush and Character Design Studio. Now, during this course, you'll be learning how to create compelling and cinematic keyframe illustrations using the same industry standard techniques I use in my professional day-to-day life, starting with simple sketches for ideation and then moving to the 3D softwares to create all the assets required in order to create our final illustrations. In the initial weeks, we'll start by studying fundamental concepts about cinematography, subjects like contrast and values, camera position and angles as well as lenses, color grading, moods, and cinematic light. We will discuss how these elements can actually affect the way we perceived our images and how they can be used in order to enhance our readability and the storytelling in our work. To better understand this, as well as getting our engine started, we will create several 2D sketches from film frames. In the later weeks, we will begin our small project, where the objective is to create a set of keyframe illustrations based on the initial briefing I will be providing you. Now, don't worry, you'll have enough freedom to actually choose your own project. It's just as a starting point, you will have a certain base. Past this, we will create our first reference and mood board, as well as our initial ideation sketches, which will set the tone for our projects. After this, we will start creating our 3D base and all the assets needed for our story. Here I'll be talking about the universal language behind 3D softwares and how you can approach them without being overwhelmed. I will also be talking about texturing and the important aspects to consider before doing your final renders, such as scale and repetition. Finally, during the last 2 weeks of this course, we will go over how we can step from our 3D render into our final 2D image. We will talk about painting and how to reinforce your ideas by simplifying your shapes. For each weekly session, there will be an homework assignment and I'll be providing individual feedback, as well as an hourly Q&A session where I'll be answering any further questions you might have and also doing live demonstration. You will also be provided with a list of resources and 3D assets that can help you to create your own homework. So, if creating cinematic illustrations is your thing, don't hesitate. Sign up now for the next term at cgmasteracademy.com. I'll see you in class.